it created serious understeer on corner entry, as you can see in the footage.
Hi, my name is Hiro. I fix cars and drive my S2000 on racetrack. Today, I want to talk about how sway bar changes really affect handling. And I'm using this art theory sway bar adjuster to show it on my S2000.
A sway bar controls how much the car rolls, but the real effect is balance. Changing stiffness doesn't add grip, it moves grip. A stiffer front bar gives you more push or understeer. A stiffer rear bar gives you more rotation. Small changes make a big difference. My S2000 sway bar setup was the typical track setup, a super stiff Karcepts front bar and a really soft Miata rear bar. That combo usually calms down the tail-happy S2000 and makes the car feel planted, but in my case it created serious understeer on corner entry, as you can see in the footage. So I actually asked ChatGPT to calculate my setup. Surprise, right? And it told me to go way stiffer in the rear. For an S2000, that's unheard of. Nobody runs a rear bar that stiff, and nobody even sells one that stiff. Then I came across this sway bar adjuster from R Theory, which allows the already stiff OEM rear bar to go even higher in effective stiffness. I made a separate installation video for it. The link is in the description below. The way this adjuster works is simple. If you install it in this position and extend the sway bar's leverage, the bar becomes softer. If you flip it and shorten the leverage, the bar becomes stiffer.
Alright, here's my Miata bar. And now, going back to '03 stock bar. Alright, this is it.
I started with the adjuster set in the middle holes, so I could go stiffer or softer depending on how the car felt. Right away, I felt the front end bite into the corner, and the car turned in much quicker than before. But on the other hand, the front end got too strong, and as you can see, I ended up spinning the car around. After a few adjustments and testing different settings on the adjuster, the car finally reached a balance I was really happy with. Honestly, I was very skeptical about this whole idea in the beginning, but after driving it, I can confidently say it works. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Hiromotive